Welcome back. So let's watch the final product. So I'm going to click on the link or the output file location, and I'm going to double click on the project number 2 promo video, and let's play it.
Have you always wanted to learn how to edit video but don't know where to start? Would you like to make amazing videos and bring your ideas to life? Then Adobe Premiere Pro 2021 Ultimate course is for you. Hi, I'm Josh Warner and I'll be leading you through this course. Video editing is an in-demand skill in 2021. The course begins with the basics. I'll take you through everything you need to know to start editing videos like an expert. You'll learn all the fundamentals of Adobe Premiere Pro 2021. This is great for students starting out or for video editors that need a refresher course on Adobe Premiere Pro 2021. There are no requirements necessary to enroll. I only ask that you come open-minded and ready to learn. Feel free to look through the course description and check out some of my previous videos. The course is packed with over 3 hours of hands-on tutorials. So what are you waiting for? I look forward to going through the course with you. I'll see you inside.
Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Brings a tear to my eye how beautiful it is. No, I'm not crying. I'm just kidding. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.